Namaskar everyone. Today we will make this transparent text effect in Photoshop. Now let's start today's tutorials. Here I have a photo. In this photo I will make transparent text effect. Now right click in this photo, select open with and click on Adobe Photoshop 2021. Now opening Adobe Photoshop. Now click on View menu. Click on Fit on Screen. In Layers, here a layer background. Drag this background layer to make its duplicate. Choose Quick Selection tool. Click on Select Subject. After making selection of the subject, add a layer mask. And take a horizontal type tool and write any type of text which you want to type. Press Ctrl+T and adjust it on subject. Rename this text. Make a duplicate of text layer. Now right click on text layer and select Convert to Save. Select Rectangle tool. Select Fill Color to None and stroke to white color. Increase stroke as required. Drag this text layer below the masked subject. Increase stroke if it's not visible. Now select text and text copy layer and right click and click on link layer. Here the final design. Now click on File menu and click on Save As to save this design. Now export the design as PNG format. Now close the design and close the Adobe Photoshop. Here the final design. I hope you will know this transparent text effect in Photoshop. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.